I really like the Line 6 G10, so I got a couple of these as backups on eBay, and this one was dead as a doornail, even though it said it worked perfectly, but it didn't. So I wanted to go down the rabbit hole and see if I could figure out how to replace the battery on here, and you can. It's just a little bit of work involved. Let me show you what I did. You're going to need to get access to a screw that's underneath of here. I took a scalpel and just peeled back this label right here very carefully until I got it to about here. I've seen people remove the entire label, but you don't really need to. You just pull it back, and there's your easy to access number 6 torque screw. And unfortunately, you are going to need a number 6 and a number 5. Of course, you can't just use the same screw. We got to use 2 different size torque screws. You're going to unscrew this number 6 torque screw. You can see we're exposing the top of the electronics here. So then this is just a little case that slides off right here. On this side of your device is a little sticker. You're going to either want to remove it or peel it back, however you want to do it. The second screw hole is right here. So now you're going to need a number 5 Torx, of course. My Torx goes all the way to the bottom to get it. So we're going to remove that screw. All right, make sure you don't lose that. This just kind of splits apart, but be careful, obviously. Pull that side off. Very carefully remove this side. There we go. And there's your battery right there. And you can see the battery is soldered to the board right here. So it's, you got your positive and your negative both soldered in right here. So what we're going to do next is remove this tape very carefully. All right, remove that one. And we can see what's going on here. Soldered here. So now I'm going back to the scalpel. I'm just going to be carefully remove this. Just want to make sure I don't damage the board at all. Carefully, there it is. That's garbage. So now we have access to the positive and the negative side, and this is going to have to be unsoldered at your own risk. I want to put some safety glasses on. Heat this up till I can remove it. I didn't do such a good job on the soldering. I'm kind of, be honest with you, I'm nervous soldering a battery right here. What I'm going to do is I'll strip this, and if I have to, I'll just extend them a little bit. But there you go. That's how you remove the battery. Obviously, we're just going to solder the new battery back in and put it all back together.